Kamano marod bura mamalo Moses Wetangula ogolo kwayo ne rowere duto te pacho kae mar mondo migirita ngimagi makiny ka okalo kuom keto maino e wechego mago mag somo, pur kaachiel kod timo ohala. Ne osiemogi e wiye mar mondo mioti kodgi marach gi josiasa ka bende weche maket koda magi ne owacho sechego mane entiere Tongaren tok rado kod jokanyono kata jodongo mago makono.
And I want to encourage you, my good young friends, be the masters of your own discipline. Because at the end of your education, the beneficiary, number one, is yourself. You are not in school because of your father or your mother or anybody else. It is the self. After the self, then you will help others. Kuomba pia mupande kahawa. Kahawa serikali inaleta seedlings za free. Huyu Chikata anazalisha seedlings. Serikali inanunua kwake na kugawia wananchi for free. Hata mimi ameniletea, ninapanda eka 60 kwa shamba yangu hapa ng'ambo, ili niweze kupata mapato hapo mbeleni. So nyinyi kama wakulima, diversify from cane to maize to milk to coffee to macadamia to whatever you can, so that we can be able to support each other. Hatuwezi kukubali muwe mnaenda sijui wapi Lugari kutafuta hiyo mbolea. Hiyo Chikatu ukuje tuite PS tulete gala la mbolea within Tongaren constituency. Kwa sababu nyinyi mnalima mahindi kuliko any other part of Bungoma. And we said very clearly in parliament, mbolea ipelekwe karibu na mkulima, ili mkulima apate. Na msikubali middleman aenda anunue mbolea ya 25 akuja akuuzie 3000 au zaidi. Hiyo ni ulaghai.